Great Gadgets for Azure DevOps offers a variety of useful widgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Time In Status Widget indicates how long the work item stayed in each workflow state category, or board column. It helps you identify which parts of your workflow are time-consuming and should be improved. This widget allows you to calculate total time, or average time. The results can be displayed in various types, as a pie chart, a bar chart, or a column chart. And the data can be grouped by different criteria, such as assignee, project, or priority. Now let's see how it can be configured. Add the widget to your dashboard, and configure it to use a board or a shared query containing the work items for which you want to measure the time and status. At what to measure, select the time and status option. In the calculation method field, choose total time. Select the pie chart as the chart type, and then save. Now the widget is displayed on the dashboard. The chart shows the total duration in each state, giving you an idea of which parts of the workflow are taking the most time. If you want to see the time and status for each team member, all you need to do is group the data by assignee. And here it is. The widget now displays the time and status, grouped by assignees. In addition, it can display a data tab, detailing the time spent in each state for each work item, which can be easily exported to CSV format. Install Great Gadgets and discover many powerful time-saving widgets that bring your dashboards to life.